have some adorable little peekaboos. These are Suki and Ezra's. And they were born on Wednesday. Today is Saturday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days. And this one's little girl. You see, they're all going to be all black and white. This is little girl. We got 3 girls. And we have 1 little boy. Okay, this is little girl. So this one is our little boy. There's little baby boy. And then here's our 3 little girls. This little boy, this little girl is kind of marked like him. You know, this one is a little bit smaller right there. And then I'd say this one, I don't know. At this age, though, they can still change. So there we have Ezra and Suki's family. Okay, so our little boy definitely has more black on him. This little girl is similar, but not as much. And this one has got quite a few little black spots, and this little one has got more open marking. Okie dokie. There's our sweet little Suki's little peekaboos.